चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें।
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. Today I am making a DIY grid inspirational board with the help of newspaper. To make a grid board we need rectangular newspaper sheets. Now roll the newspaper sheets like this to make a newspaper roll stick. Make sure that you roll the newspaper tight, otherwise your grid will be very weak and wobbly. Now glue the end of the stick like this. I have prepared 14 sticks like this. Lay down 7 sticks horizontally like this on equal distance. Now put other 7 sticks vertically on top of the other sticks like this. Glue down everything nicely. My grid is ready. Take a scissor and cut the extra ends like this from all sides. It's time to paint the grid. I'm using golden paint, but you can use any paint or color of your choice. Let the paint dry. Now take pom-poms or any decoration of your choice and decorate the grid. I'm using pom-poms to decorate it. My grid inspirational board is ready. I further decorated it with a dream catcher and small knickknacks. This inspirational grid is easy to make, beautiful and useful. I hope you will like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. तो ये था आज का DIY ज्ञान। न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू। बाय बाय।